Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna be doing a haul. So this is a small PR haul, which is my YouTube is a small YouTube, and I am so grateful that I am receiving messages from some companies and wanted me to try their products and yeah, send it to me for free. So if you're interested what are the things I've got, then yeah, and what company are these, then please keep on watching. So these are the boxes that I received. It's not a lot, but I have to film it ASAP because I don't want them to pile up. I really hate messy rooms. So these are the boxes right here. Oops. And let's get started. The first one we've got right here, which I've opened it already. This is by the brand Style Korean. If you don't know what Style Korean is, Style Korean is a shopping website wherein you could purchase their Korean skincare and Korean makeups, and probably they have tools also. So you name it, they have it all in there. So they've sent this Moonshot. This is by the brand Moonshot, and they've sent this cushion foundation, and the other one is a tinted moisturizer. So I am very excited to test this one out because I've heard that it is a newly released not makeup line but makeups. Now we'll proceed to the second items, which I've already pulled it out from the box and I lost the box already. So we've got these vitamin C serum, followed by a vitamins for your hair, skin, and nails. And the last one we've got right here is a vitamins called phytoceramides extract complex. So these two right here are for your skin, nails, and hair, and the other one is vitamin C. This is by the brand SMARTRSKIN, and SMARTRSKIN is a company that focuses on making your skin beautiful by creating vitamins and face serums. So those are the products that they've sent. Thank you, SMARTRSKIN. Now we'll proceed to the next box right here, and this box is from ALTHEA Korea. So ALTHEA Korea is like Style Korean. It's an online website which they are selling Korean skincare and Korean makeups and some beauty tools. So I received products from them, and we've got sheet mask, and also these one right here, it's for your blackhead, and some puffs. You know what's puff? Beauty sponge. So we've got big one and we've got the minis. I'm gonna be reviewing these babies separately on my YouTube channel. So majority of the products that I receive will be reviewed separately, so it's more precise and clear. Now the next box is this one right here. This is by the brand LIBEREX. So LIBEREX is a company that creates some beauty tools like this one right here, which I haven't opened it yet. This is a facial cleanser device. This is the first time I'm gonna be using and owning a device like this. LIBEREX is not new to me because they've sent a curling iron before, which performs like your expensive curling iron. So all of the links of these products that I have mentioned will be posted on my description box, so you could also visit their site. And second to the last items that we've got right here, or package, these two right here again is from Style Korean. And what I got is this collagen lift up band, which is very interesting. Lift up band, what is that? And collagen firming up mask. Also, this one right here is a 24 Mist Secret Plus by Ground Plan. So if you're interested, if you want me to review this product, please let me know by commenting down below. I will be willing to give a review after testing out the product. And the last item that we've got right here is this. Ooh, it's a table ring light. It's like an answered prayer, which I really didn't pray. So this is good if you want to do a flat lay photography or on your table or taking a picture, putting makeup on. So this one right here, this is by the brand Zome, and I think I've checked this. This is in, you could find them in Amazon. So those are the things that I received from these generous companies, and yeah, thank you so much. So that pretty much sums up everything. Now, all of the, like I've said earlier, majority of the products that I receive will be reviewed separately, and also the links of these companies will be posted down below if you're interested. Let me tell you something, that my reviews are all based on my experience with the products. So even though the products are sent for free, I would still give my honest, to the best possible I can, honest review. So I don't really care if the company will get mad or not, but yeah, it would be very transparent and honest. And also, I also did a first impression reviews from the past, especially when it comes to the foundation. But in this case, all of these products, I will be testing them out first to see its performance under harsh circumstances, like wear it and go out, have fun with friends, and jump and run and whatsoever, so that the products will be tested and see how it performs under a very hectic, busy, or harsh activities. And yeah, I would say that that kind of review is more accurate and reliable than first impression. So don't get mad at me, because people really love doing first impression, but that's just my opinion and my idea or view regarding the matter. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. See you on my next post, guys, and thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.